ServiceNow is one of the most modern enterprise AI platforms, and you've made the right decision to drive business transformation, build a common workflow data fabric, and scale agility and innovation. Despite the investment, return on investment has taken a hit, and the reason is low user adoption. The legacy user experience is a major roadblock. Siloed processes, data trapped in disconnected niche tools, steep learning curves, poor engagement from business teams, and complex interfaces all contribute to the problem. Introducing now.niral.ai, an AI-powered design-to-code platform that reimagines ServiceNow experience. Here's the current ServiceNow experience with complex user navigation that your team handles. And here's the visual experience your team desires. This makes ServiceNow feel modern and intuitive, drives better adoption, and gives you higher returns on your ServiceNow investment. With now.niral.ai, experience 3x higher adoption, 70% boost in development productivity, and a 30-point rise in user satisfaction. With now.niral.ai, you're not just deploying a UI, you're delivering a premium custom experience that users love. Scan the QR code to book a demo with us.